Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel 7 to 6 from Relax Your Mind. Okay, this channel is all about relaxing, and while relaxing learn something new and exciting every day. This video is a series of Matlab, how to learn Matlab, how to utilize it. Matlab is, let me tell you something about Matlab. Matlab is basically used in engineering domain, and it has various laboratories and experimental data. You can use it, various functions you can use in Matlab, and I think all the engineering students are familiar with this Matlab, and they are at some stage struggling, and then after some practicing they are becoming masters in this Matlab. You go worldwide, you will, if you are going, if you are undergraduate student or master student or PhD student and you are doing simulation and mathematical modeling, you come across this Matlab. So in this video, I will update you about some of the key features of the environment of the Matlab. So when someone new install Matlab, and he come up with this screen, and in this screen you can see there's multiple windows and there are multiple segregations in this window. As you can see, this is a window which is highlighted is a command window where you can write and code whatever you want to do in it. Okay, let's start from the top. This is a tabs for Matlab, and this was introduced in Matlab 2015 and onward. And this is the home tab, and most of the time you are going to use this tab, and in this tab you will find all the basic tools like new script file or new file if you are creating a new Simulink file or new script file or new function, new example, or new class or new figure. So we will learn this in later videos. This is the open file option. From here you can open the file in which you are working, and then these are the to compare the different version of the files and find the files. This is for import data into the workspace, and then this is uh, we will learn about the workspace in a bit. So this is a workspace, how to save workspace, how to introduce new variable using a GUI interface. We will do in later videos, we will program some basic in Matlab, and we will learn how to introduce a new variable, how to save it, how to utilize it, how to clear workspace. Okay, these are the analyze code and run the code. So we will learn it in this when we are learning the script files. So this is Simulink library. Then here you can change the layout of your Matlab, and you can add or you can remove whatever window you like. Okay, so these are the preference and set path where your file should be reside, and preference you can change the font size, font style, colors, and all the other things, and by default in add-ons you can manage add-ons for example, if some toolbars or some add-ons or some packages are not available in your current license, you can add it on later stage. Sorry. Okay, so here you can see this is the shortcuts for manuing the current folder menu. Here, this is the your working directory. I am currently working in document and Matlab folder, and this you can change it from here, or other folders if you are selected will appear out here. Okay, so I am currently working in Matlab folder. Let's see if I go up, then I will have different folders. So these are the Matlab files which Matlab can utilize. This is .fis file. FIS is fuzzy inference system, and SLX is for model file for Simulink library. Okay. So if you select any file over here, it will show the details below, and you can enlarge it here. This is the model version, save in which version, and what is the preview of this Simulink file. Okay, this is the command window. Here in command window, you can type or code. For example, if I write anything, it will execute and give me the answer. Or whatever I execute in command window, or whatever variable or is introduced here will be shown in the workspace in this menu. So you can see this is the workspace. When if you select it, let me add a detailed command history. Okay, this is the command history. We type a for the first in the first interest, and the second what we wrote is 1. Okay, say okay, further you can have shortcut tabs. Shortcut tabs is here, which we create new shortcuts for your ease. Okay, lot and apps, we will explore it in future videos, inshallah. Okay, so this is the basic work environment of Matlab, and I will be back uh, with a new. Okay, so let's add a script file. So, okay, we will learn what is script file here. Once you create a script file editor will be shown here. In the main difference in the script file and command window is whenever you type anything and press enter, it will execute that command. While in editor you wrote the whole code and execute by clicking on run icon or by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Okay, this all for today, and I will be back in new video soon, inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you.